eaten out since I've gotten here, so I decided to come out and try a restaurant. This is an Italian restaurant called Culaccino, and they're in between menus, between night and lunch, so it's kind of just appetizers. I did get some fried calamari, and they've got some toast points, and then I've got some pasta. So it's a really pretty place. I'll let you know how it is. The calamari was good. There was actually some squid with it, some shaved cheese, and fried lemons, but it was really good. The bread is good, but the cheese with it, I don't know what it is. It's a little too salty for me. But I'm waiting on my pasta. Okay, this is my pasta. It has some peas and pork in it. I just took a bite of one of the noodles. It's really good. I'll finish it and let you know. The toast is good. Wow, look at that. I so rarely go out to eat, and this looks good. It's a lemon dessert. It's like with raspberries and some type of ice cream. So I'll let you know how that is. That dessert was really odd, but it was really one of the best desserts I've ever had. I mean, it was like a lemon cake. It had raspberries on it. It had some kind of caramel ice cream. The ice cream actually had herbs on it. And I want to show you the bill. I think it ended up being $53.76. Because I got bottled water. I wanted to show you the front in case you ever want to come here. It's actually on the main street in Franklin. If you head up to the right, I'll get there in a minute. The square is directly ahead. It was really good. I would have loved to come for dinner because they had fettuccine and things that I really wanted, and they didn't have it right now because it's kind of a brunch menu. Yeah, it was definitely good. So we're gonna head on up to the square.